All right, let's open up this Modda jewelry making kit. So excited. Love the color, love the box. Look at this, made with love. Yes, it is. This is great. This is such a great box. I always love Modda's design. Ooh, they got some goodies in here. But before we get started with the goodies, I want to show you this card. So this is so great. You can scan this QR code for the videos that we're doing, and to take you to Modda Hobby Kits, which is great. You can go straight to the website, but let me show you. On the other side, you scan this QR code and you go straight to give an honest review. We want an honest review from you, but also we want to see your creation. Put pictures in there. We want to see what you make from the kits, from this kit and stuff. And so it's so simple, so easy. Scan it, and then you can give a review and send pictures. We want to see your pictures. We love to see what you've made. Okay, so let's dive into this beauty. Oh, now this. I want to put this box to the side because I gotta dive into this. In this kit, you get your own tools, like everything you need. And so let's pull these out. So you get your cutter tool, you get your round nose pliers, which are important for making jewelry, and then you get your snub nose pliers, which is great. Pliers are gonna be your best friend when it comes to jewelry making. And then you get tweezers. Tweezers are always good when it comes to jewelry making because they're such small things in the supplies, and it's easy to pick up with your tweezers. And then last, oh my goodness, look at this tool. A nice cutting tool. I'm all about the cutting tools. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm glad. This is really sharp, can I tell you? Super sharp, so make sure you keep your lid on and stuff. But they'll give you a whole, like a kit within a kit pretty much. You get a tool kit. I love it. Okay, let's put these to the side. Put this, oh my gosh, and look at this. Carrying your tools. I carry my tools everywhere, so this is perfect, yeah, for you, for travel purposes. I do travel with my tools, because people are always asking me to fix their necklace or do whatever. So this is in the kit. Let me put the box to the side. And now this beauty, you use it's cloth. It's a cloth, and you use it. It's so soft. You put it down, and this is how you put your beads on here, and you make it so your beads don't go rolling everywhere. This is such a great little piece of cloth to have, especially when you begin jewelry making, because it keeps your beads all in place, because it's easy for your beads to roll on the table or your desk or wherever you're doing it. The next we have the ring sizer. So this, you find out what size ring you need, and then you get to make it with this guy. Oh my goodness, this is great. So perfect for ring making. All right, let's dive in to this box. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is all the chip beads, which is so great. There's so many different colors. Like this looks like a cookies and cream kind of chip beads. And then we got like a really see-through yellow, a light one. And then we have see-through white, clear, and turquoise and light blue, and a dark red and a bright red, and black and light blue and dark blue, and just all different colors of chip beads. So this is really, oh my goodness, and it's heavy too. These beads are for real. And then we go to the next. There's 3 layers in this. There's 3 layers, and so you have a couple round beads. We got different colors, like a cream, and these are like almost like a yellow or amber. This is an amber. And then we have some green and blue, and then we have like our bigger seed beads. These are our bigger seed beads: a black, a white, a silver, and gold. And then, oh my goodness, we have more beads, which these are like the pearl, like a glass pearl. We got white and blue big ones and white and blue small ones. And then we have more beads. Oh, these are filler beads. These beads are great to put in between your other beads. They are gold and silver, and they're big and small, and so it's great to put in between. So look at these. Oh, they got purple, black, and like kind of like a see-through opal kind of looking thing. It's very, very pretty. And then our next layer we have here, ooh, let's dive in. So this is for rings. So this is great. It's a thick wire that you can still manipulate and bend and all that, but it's a thicker wire. And this one too, ooh, and we have We have memory wire, which is great for bracelets. This is so amazing. And then we have a smaller wire that you don't manipulate, but it's great for necklaces. This is to help you, I will show you in a second. It is to help you with jump rings. Jump rings is what holds all your jewelry together. So this is really great. And then we have our elastic bands, 2 of them, not just 1, but 2 of them. This is amazing. Let me put this to the side and we'll dive into the next section. There's so much in this kit. Like, it is pretty amazing. Okay, we got our jump rings. And then we're gonna open this last. We're gonna open this last and just pour it all out. Look at all these silver and gold. We got hearts, we got stars, little balls with very intricate details. We got trees. I mean, this is so cute. Okay, let's put you to the side. And these look like lava balls. You got these lava beads, which is great, white and black, which is so great. And we have, this is what a ring sizer. So what you do is you put it down and then you put it around, oh, I did too small. You put it around your knuckle, right? Because your ring has to go over your knuckle. Put it around your knuckle, put it back down, see if that's what feels good, and then pull it back out to see if that's where you want it. And when it is, you find your size ring. And so my middle finger is about a size 9, 9.5 and stuff. And so then, then I can see on here where I need to make my ring. So this is really great because if you don't know your ring size or you don't know the person that you're making for ring size, then you can totally find out that way. Oh, I love all this stuff. Look at this. Okay, these are so great. This is head pins. Head pins are flat on top. And then we have the eye holes, which are round. There's round on top. And so these are both really great for making earrings. And then we have the clam shells. Ooh, so much good stuff. Lobster clasp, the clasp for putting the necklace together. We have the earring hooks and chain. You always, chain, yes, please. And then we have crimping beads, which hold the necklace together. But the grand finale, shall we do the grand finale? I'm gonna put this to the side, put these to the side, and let's show you all the great things. Ooh. Let's show you all the great things that are in here. Okay, so let's just dump them out. Because there's a lot. And these are really great quality. You can't, I mean, like sometimes when you get charms, you can bend them and stuff, especially metal ones. These are very sturdy. And so you get a lot of good stuff. Oh, look at, you can make, oh, what does it say on it? Daughter, how cute. And it says mother, so you can have a mother-daughter necklace. Oh, so cute. And then you have some wings. Oh, these hearts are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these gold hearts. And this says health, happiness, treasure. This little heart says made with love. And this says I love you to the moon and back. I mean, look at all this stuff that you get. Like, this is a huge kit. And so these are all the things that come in this one kit.